I first heard about the commercial development program when I was an intern at Fresenius Kabi in the human resources department. So I knew that even after college, I wanted to go back to Fresenius Kabi again. I just didn't know what job I was going to be looking for. So when I knew about this program, I felt like the perfect opportunity to kind of get into this program and just kind of explore and learn and see what these different career paths and which one might be best for me. So for me, I rotated through 4 different departments: customer service, supply chain, contract marketing, and marketing, all for about 6 months each. And so it gives you this exposure to different functions of the business, how they work, but also how they work together to achieve the overall business goal. Being able to rotate throughout these various departments, I was able to gain a deeper understanding of these different functions. So it really helps me in my marketing role now when I'm working cross-functionally with different teams. So for example, if I'm working with supply chain or customer service, I understand their priorities and challenges because I was once in that role. So it's definitely helping me in my everyday role today. I think one of the biggest opportunities that the program has given me was being able to network. Because I've been on so many different teams, I've met so many different people, whether it's on the nutrition team that I was on. I was always in contact with the IV solutions team because it's the whole IV therapy business. And even though throughout the program I was on pharma and supply chain, I just have all these networking opportunities. I would recommend this program to anyone who is maybe unsure about where they want to take their career, just because you are exposed to so many different businesses in this commercial function. There's so many different departments outside of the ones that you rotate through that you're still connecting with. So even if you don't find what you like in this program, you're still working cross-functionally with so many other teams that maybe you might end up finding a job there.